equipment never fails on your schedule, and when it fails unexpectedly, the impact can be severe. Unplanned outages can be prevented if you have the right system to provide early warning indication of equipment distress. Predict Plus is the only truly wireless and cloud-connected machinery health monitor designed specifically for your rotating equipment needs. Predict Plus is continuously monitoring and logging your equipment's health. Overall RMS vibration alerts can be used to indicate a fault condition, and FFT harmonic data can be used to diagnose the issue. Temperature is monitored via an integrated thermocouple to detect improper run conditions and failure modes. Proactive alerts are sent via email and SMS from the Predict Cloud. IP66/NEMA 4X washdown enclosure. The Predict Cloud is your powerful equipment monitoring dashboard. By utilizing historic data trends and proactive threshold alerts, you can check on your assets at any time from your web browser or the Predict Cloud mobile app. Advanced features of the Predict Cloud can provide operators with alarm and alerting functionality, exportation of machinery data, and data trending for analysis purposes. This data can assist in transitioning your maintenance program from reactive to proactive. Predict Plus is the only 100% cellular-based, Class 1 Division 1 rated, proactive continuous monitoring device with field-replaceable batteries. Want to learn more? Visit dxpe.com or contact your DXP sales professional for more information.